your stuff. Come in here.
The story began when Ariel fell head over fins in love. Wait, no, it began when King Triton asked Sebastian to keep an eye on Ariel. Wait, no, it began when King Triton got old man and Ursula took Ariel's voice and... Whoa, this story's getting away from me. Gotta slow down, get ahead of myself. This is a great day. That's my little tale. Ariel created a
down here. There's no reason to go up there. Don't you understand, Ariel? This is where you belong. You may think the runners are with you in someone else's life. Play the flute, the harp, play the harp, the bass, play the bass, and play sound the chop, the bass, play the bass, the chop, play the... What's this? You've come to a stop.
Every time.
May the Eastern Sea Witch. Listen to me. Stay seated in your clamshell while I get to the bottom of this. Under the sea, under the sea, darling, it's better down where it's better. Take it from me. Up on the shore they work all day. Out in the sun they slay their way. While we devoting, full time to floating under the sea. I bring good news. Your clamshells will begin moving immediately. Stay in your seats now. But fish in the bowl is lucky. Then was something. One day when the boss get hungry, yes, you go beyond the day. Oh no, under the sea, under the sea. Nobody beat us, fry us and eat us in fricassee. We what the land folks love to cook. Under the sea, we off the hook. We got no troubles, life is the bubbles under the sea. Under the sea, since life is sweet, we got to be here naturally. Even the skirting and the rain, they get the air, it's not the rain. We got to stay and the here under the sea.
Happily ever after, Ursula will help her. Yes. See for yourself.
So sad, so true. They come walking to my corner, spouses with fleas, and I help them. Yes, I do. Anuga Sabruga, come winds of the Caspian Sea. That brings
abscessus, glossitis, max laryngitis, not voce to me. I admit that in the past I've been a nasty. They weren't kidding when they called me, well, a witch. But you'll find that nowadays I've mended all my ways, repented, seen the light, and made a switch.
About her, and you don't know why she died to try to wanna kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my, like a boy too shy, gonna kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, in that side, we need to shake too bad, you wanna miss.
Goodbye. It was so good to see you. We hope you had a wonderful time. Step out to the left now.
Let's switch the other